here quickly. All right, McDonald's pickup. Yes, I got 5D0BF. Awesome, thank you. Alrighty. Okay, have a good one now. All right. Let's see if there's any coffee in here. No coffee, just cold drinks. Good stuff.
Wow, that's quite a bike.
Oh, thank you.
Is that electric?
Yes, it is.
Oh my God, it must be about $4 grand.
Oh yeah, definitely so.
This is like the top of the line, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it rolls pretty good. Yeah.
Where did you get it? On Amazon?
I ordered it directly from the manufacturer's website.
What's the brand?
It's Upco.
How do you know which one to get?
A lot of research.
Oh, yeah.
That's all.
I mean,
Uh-huh.
it's like with the computers.
That's right.
I just ordered my Max Pro this last week.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
My son says, get the Apple. It's, good for design and
That's
stuff.
right. That's right.
But
yeah.
This is the heaviest duty back I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely,
Is
definitely.
This a European made?
From New Zealand.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, yeah. Yep.
Well, don't be like Simon Cowell and go kill yourself
No.
the first week.
No, definitely not.
Did you have to take lessons?
Well, I've been riding pretty much all my life, so yeah. But this one only is limited to like 30 miles an hour, so it's a lot slower.
So you can have your own business with this.
That's what I'm doing right now.
You're a courier.
That's right, correct.
Okay, well I got something for you.
Uh-huh.
Do you get food stamps?
No.
If you do, I know how you get $110 tax credit every year.
Oh, wow.
I'll give you my card.
Okay.
That I'm going, and I help people raise money for their businesses.
Okay, very
So
good.
I go to New York next week.
Okay.
And this is how Satan works. I fell.
Oh,
I
wow.
got slammed by a brand new phone.
Oh, wow.
I had to go take a 2-hour bus down to AppleCare.
Oh, wow.
A week without my phone, and I just ordered my business cards.
Oh, there we
I had
go.
to write my new number on every single one of them.
Awesome.
Because the number on here I've had for 12 years.
Okay.
What are the odds that in the middle of the night the phone just...
There you go. They'll go out.
Satan,
That's
man,
right.
Satan.
That's the lead. Thank you. Pleasure meeting you.
And nice to meet you. What's
You
your name?
too, Russell.
Russell, good luck.
Yes, thank you.
What are you delivering now? Hot
I'm doing a Uber delivery. Yes. Have a good one now. All right.
Yeah, the new bike every time I see you.
That's right. Yeah. I'm hustling. Grab the neighbors, grab anybody. Have a good one now. Thank you. All right. That's it. Yes, indeed. Let's go to what a rare fact. Remember, everybody sees you. Everybody sees you. All right, where we going? We're going to Surfside right now. There we go. Give me this one. Where I'm at right now. 129. 127, so 220, 24, 123, 80, it's going to be more right here, 8220. A little bit more right here. front door enjoy. All right, one down. See if we can get two more real quick.